Welcome again to Val's Quick Tips and Tricks, and today we are looking at Thai basil. So this is our Thai basil which I planted with our ATM mango. I'm getting mangoes here, lots of mangoes. So these are really good as companion plants, and the minute it grows 6 to 8 inches long, it is advised to cut it and transplant it somewhere else. It's very easy to transplant. I'll show you. You just have to cut it over here, remove a few the leaves from here, and again put it in another bag. So we'll trim it from here. So this is our Thai basil. Now we'll just pull off the top leaves. Okay, so something like this. And now I will plant it in our ornamental chili grow bag. It's a good companion plant. So here is our ornamental chilies which are growing, orange ones. So what you do is just take this, make a small hole there in the grow bag, just push it in, and there you go. It will start growing in no time. Thank you.